how to sign up or log in to Any.do or the Any.do application on Android. If you want to sign up or log into the Any.do application on Android, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now all you have to do for this is first of all launch the Any.do or the Any.do application. Once done, you'll see a couple of options. So you can continue with Google, Facebook or email. Whether or not you already have an account doesn't matter. You can simply enter the email address if you haven't created an account. If you have created an account on this given email, then it means that you will be asked to prompt it, enter your password. Now what you can also do is you can actually continue with Facebook or Google. So in my case, if I have not yet created an account, I can simply continue with Google option right here. And once I've done that, just select my Google account from where I would like to link this account with. And after I've done that, I should be able to enter a couple of other information right here. So from the Any.do app, I can simply sync my calendar and do all this. Now I can also choose a plan, by the way, by tapping on continue options. So there is a couple of premium options that I can choose. I can continue with the free trial or I can skip this, but if you want, that's totally your own choice, by the way. And once done, you should be able to go ahead and then create an account and sign into the Any.do app. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.